we wish to convey our heartfelt condolences to the family and to the people of Huruma ward, where Honorable Chomba represented, for this sudden loss of Mheshimiwa Chomba. Unfortunately, we've lost Honorable Chomba to the COVID pandemic, which has drastically now affected the arrangements that we had already put in place for the funeral. We had decided that we are going to honor our late MCA with a funeral for the county that we would equate to a state funeral at the national government. And our arrangements was that tomorrow we would have been viewing the body officially here at the county assembly. But as you are all aware that the COVID protocols now takes charge, and we have very little control as a committee now on what happens and what needs to be done. Ours is to comply with the protocols that have been given because of the seriousness of this matter.
We are all aware that we lost our brother, Honorable Peter Kiiru Chomba, on the morning of 10th October 2020. We wish to inform residents of Uasin Gishu and the general public that we have received the official post-mortem results that was conducted on the deceased from the family that confirmed that the cause of death was COVID-19. In lieu of this information, Uasin Gishu County Assembly has commenced testing of all honorable members and staff. Further, the County Assembly shall remain closed for 21 days, starting today, 17th October 2020.
And as a family, we are here to confirm that the report indicates that our brother, MCA Peter Chomba, was actually COVID-19 positive.
Tunajua kweli hili jambo ni la kweli, na ni vizuri tujue corona iko, na ni vizuri tutii vile Mandago anavyotuambia, na tujue kweli corona iko na ni lazima tuzingatie sheria zake. Tunataka kutumia protocol zote za corona ama za COVID ili tuweze kumpa send off ambaye kila mtu ataweza kuridhika. Sisi kama jamii tumekubali, na tungetaka kusema kwamba we need some guidance from the protocol and we are going to abide by all what they tell us.
As county, we want to appeal to the public. We have lowered our guard. From the time the restrictions were removed, we have lowered our guard. If you walk around town, you will see people without masks. I've been to a few supermarkets. I no longer see people washing hands. I don't see them asking people to ensure social distance. I want to say that we have witnessed an increase. All of you saw the results of the testing yesterday. Uasin Gishu County had 72 cases. The previous day, I think a day or two back there, we had around 40-something. Now, if you look at the trend, unfortunately, it seems to be increasing. Now, we want to urge the members of the public to be vigilant. Let's go back to the protocols. Let's wear a mask. Let's wash our hands. Let's keep social distance. All business operators, please, let's go back to the things that we were doing that was making us reduce the rates of infection. The effectiveness of control and reduction of infection will depend on our concerted effort. Residents, business community, everybody in this county taking responsibility, together we can be able to manage this pandemic. So I want to urge the members of the public that let's take this COVID-19 seriously. It is unfortunate that that we've lost Honorable Chomba to COVID. And it is unfortunate that it has really dismantled our program for the funeral. But we have no choice. I think protecting lives that are still existing is going to be very paramount for all of us. So when the ministry, the Department of Health will give us the guidelines, we are going to meet again. Now we have to, it's like we are starting afresh. So we have to meet again with the family, with the committee from the Assembly and the Executive, now under the advisory of Public Health, to see how best we are going to give our Honorable MCA a good, decent send-off while at the same time respecting the COVID protocol and ensuring that we are not using we are not spreading the virus.